Mm. Okay. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Madam.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Evelyn Arok, 35 years old.
Okay, may I know why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
I want to work as a domestic helper because I want to support my kids on their studies.
How are you qualified for this job?
I'm qualified on this job because I know everything work in the house.
Okay. May I know what is your educational level?
My educational level is high school graduate and uh, first year college level.
Okay, your college level. Have you worked abroad?
Yes, madam. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore for 1 year and 6 months, and in Qatar, 6 years.
Okay. What is your last job?
My last job is domestic helper in Qatar.
Currently, are you still working?
No, madam. I stay at home.
Are you
Uh,
medically fit? Okay.
yes, madam.
Do you have any serious injury or illness?
No, madam. I'm healthy.
Are you taking any medication or vitamins?
No, madam.
Is all your child normal delivery or C-section?
Normal delivery, madam.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, madam.
Do you smoke?
No, madam.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, madam.
No or occasionally?
No.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam.
What kind of dish?
uh, Arabic food
Mm,
and uh, Chinese foods, fried chicken, fried rice, and sweet and sour chicken,
Okay.
and Arabic dish.
Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, madam. I know how to sewing the clothes.
Sewing the clothes. Using hand or sewing machine?
Using hand, and I also know how to machine,
Mm.
how to use machine.
Okay. Do you have experience taking care of the baby?
Yes, madam. I taking care of my kids when they are infant.
Okay. And how about your previous employer?
I taking care of the 2 years old and 3 years old, and in Singapore 6 months and 2 years old and 3 years old. I taking care of all of them.
Okay. Do you have experience taking care of the elderly?
My father, madam. He is bedridden, and I taking care of him when he is bedridden.
Okay. Are you willing to work with any race employer?
Yes, madam.
Are you willing to work with the employer where the parent or parent-in-law or any relative stay together?
Yes, madam.
Are you aware that you have to do all the housework, including gardening and car washing?
Yes, madam. It's
How
okay.
many kids do you have?
I have 2 kids.
Are you legally married?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
But
Are
we're
you
already separated.
okay? But you are not legally separated, correct?
Yes.
Are you part of the LGBT?
No, madam.
When your baby was born, who take care of them?
I taking care of them, madam.
Who will take care of your kids if you will work abroad?
My mother-in-law.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. Do you agree?
Yes, madam. I agree.
No friends and relatives can come in the employer's house. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, madam.
You strict,
Understand.
okay. You strictly need to surrender your phone to your employer in the morning, and they will return back to you once your work is done. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, madam.
If you misuse the handphone policy, employer will confiscate your phone and you're only allowed to call 4 times in a month only. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, madam.
Do you understand the rules and regulation of the handphone policy?
Yes, madam.
You're not allowed to use makeup or wear sexy clothes. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, madam, I understand.
Do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency?
No, madam.
Do you have any allergy to food, any seafoods, or any medication?
No, madam. I don't have any allergy.
Are you afraid of any pets?
No, madam. Actually, I take care of pet when I'm in Singapore.
Okay. Do you have any friends or relatives here in Malaysia?
No, madam. I don't have any.
Okay. How many years are you planning to work in Malaysia?
2 years and more if the employer still like me.
Okay. So, have you taken a vaccine and booster before?
Yes, madam. First and second dose and third dose.
Okay. What medicine? Is it
Mm,
Pfizer, Sinovac, Johnson, or AstraZeneca?
Pfizer.
Pfizer. Okay. Have you infected by COVID or Omicron before?
Yes, madam. When I'm in Qatar.
Qatar. Okay. So, how long ago was that?
Uh, it's 2022. 2022.
Okay. But are you okay now?
Yes, madam. Okay.
Totally okay. Are you aware that you have a day off, but you're not allowed to go out? You will rest inside the employer's house only.
Yes, madam. I'm willing to stay at home
Okay.
when it's my day off.
Okay. Have you undergo any surgery before?
No, madam.
Do you have any sickness like high blood pressure, thyroid, asthma, diabetes, or anything?
No, madam.
Are you wearing eyeglasses?
No, madam.
Do you have any problem in hearing?
No, madam.
Have you met any accident before, like broken leg or any metal in the body?
No, madam.
Do you understand and agree that we will upload your video recording in our website?
Yes, madam. I agree.
If your employer is watching you right now, what do you want to tell them?
Madam, please hire me because I'm hardworking and honest. I'm willing to work whatever you ask and hope to work with you as soon as possible.
Okay, so Everline, if let's say there's an employer wanted to interview you, we will inform the Philippine agency, okay?
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you,
Okay,
madam.
bye.